In the heart of Bicolandia, something powerful is growing. Not just crops, but change. Through PAITAAS Top 555, small farms are being transformed into agro-enterprises, creating value, jobs, and hope.
Alab ng puso.
Top 555 isn't just about growing crops. It's about building resilient food systems rooted in community knowledge.
Tayo bumabangon.
Supported by the Agricultural Training Institute, PAITAAS empowers farmers through training, clustering, and innovation. With PAITAAS Top 555, transformation is not a dream. It is happening now.
Sa isang kalawakan na miningning, magkahawak kamay sa lilim ng bughaw ng langit, umaawit. Umaawit. Alab ng puso.